Hey friends, it's Teresa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hybrid layout for the Traci Reed Designs creative team. We're working with the True North collection. This is a fantastic summer / travel / seafaring / kind of romantic collection here. And so the layout I'm going to do is a 12 by 12 hybrid. I've already printed and cut the photos and the elements and the background paper. So let me share with you what we're going to do today. So the page design, as you can see, is hexagons. And I've gone ahead and layered for the background 2 pattern papers along with some of the mixed media items from the collection and also stitching. There are hexagons in the collection already, so I bumped up the size of those and clipped different pattern papers to the hexagons in Photoshop. And then I also clipped my photos and added a white stroke to those photos to add them to the layout. And when I first printed the background page, I was going to have the photos be part of the background, but I decided to go ahead and reprint the photos and cut them out separately so that they can be popped up with foam tape on the layout. And I think that that was a very good decision because they stand up a little bit off of the background and come forward to you. And so now they're an element that invites you to join us in this moment. And what I'm documenting here is a date night from 2019 and just a random date night. I don't even know where we went that night. I didn't document that part, and that's fine. That's okay. But looking at those photos now, it made me think about who we were in 2019 before the pandemic hit and before we even knew what all of that was or what was coming. And I kind of miss who we were. And it's okay, you know, we're becoming new versions of ourselves all the time, regardless of, you know, what's going on around us. We're always growing and moving forward. But it's okay to remember those times, and especially important to document that. And this was a great collection to document, you know, our relationship as this couple who met and blended families and sort of have a second chance marriage, I guess, the chance to be soulmates with each other, and we're living that out. And so this is documenting these seemingly fleeting moments, and now it gets to live on in the albums. One of my favorite elements in this collection are these little crabs. I did another layout before when this layout was released, using the crabs crawling up the page. And then, of course, I've used labels for the journaling, for the date. I would have put the location, but I don't know exactly where we were. And again, that's fine. You'll notice that since there are 3 photos, that makes it very convenient to attach 3 clusters to those photos to create a visual triangle. And each of the clusters is kind of following a formula of label with journaling words, something, a word strip, and a little circle bit or the heart banner piece. And then I'm adding some little stars here to the page. Did you see a bunch of the stars disappear? I blew on the page and the stars blew away. But that's fine. I'm using these sort of as as puffy stickers or enamel dots on the layout, and kind of just attaching them randomly just for pops of color. And so the last thing I'm going to do is add my title. I've got a ton of puffy alphabet stickers from Ellie's Studio, and so I went into my stash and found these red ones. I noticed that they're just the slightest bit different shade, and I let go of the perfectionist and said, it's fine, mix them together. You can't even tell. I'm pretty sure you can't tell, and I can't tell on the finished layout either. So that's cool. They were just a little bit different. One is more ketchup red, I think. But it's fine. They look great on the layout. I wrote out, he's my anchor, for the title here, kind of following on the love is our anchor heart piece there, which, this kind of forms the main cluster here. This is where the layout begins, top center, and then leads your eye to the left, to the right, classic visual triangle there. And so these red letters kind of draw you to that point as well, and that's a good thing. We want that. So I had a lot of fun creating this layout. I hope that you will check out the other layouts that the design team has created today over on the Traci Reed Designs blog. I will have links to this product down below, and I hope that you will join me again for our next adventure. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.